Zoo, za, zoo, za, zoo, za, zoo, I love you. You always said you knew I was gifted, but you never could figure out just how much. My body is baffled and my spirit is lifted each time I surrender to your elegant touch. Tonight's the recital for these old creepy oak trees. They're flouncent and flambant in their constant rebuttal. The squirrel who listens while waiting on bent knees inspires the leaves to fall towards a puddle